Hello everyone. Welcome to this Learn Anyone channel. This is a very valuable session for you. So whoever are the consultant BW consultant S4 HANA consultant SSC user or end user, this session would be a very helpful. Okay, so let's start. So today basically we will discuss about analysis for office. Okay, so this is a one of the SAP tool. Nowadays it is very popular for the reporting, right? So in this video basically I'm going to show you and you will learn how to from beginning from a scratch. Okay, I mean you can practical demo. Okay, I'm going to show you over here. So please start. So you can see in this video, in this server access, this is a server access, remote server access. Okay, and this we will have a, you can see here, analysis for Microsoft Excel. Okay, either you will have a desktop or you can just ping over here analysis for, you will have here, see, either this one you can click. So before going to click or open, okay, I will tell you the process to install it. This is a simple like a software. Okay, you will get it from the SAP websites. I will ping you the comment or the link over this video. Okay, so this is the, once you install this one, okay, it will be automatically over here the icon, and or you can go here and search your tool analysis for office. So analysis for Microsoft Excel is a part of Office, one of the tool under MS AFO. So I'm going to teach you here what is the analysis for Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft analysis for Microsoft Excel is a reporting tool which is very user friendly for just Excel, in a Excel format, which is very easy and drag drop and very flexible for the end users. So nowadays this is a very good reporting tool for the users. So let's start. So whenever you are going to click over here, so you will see this is a, you can see Excel opened. Okay, under this you have to verify under analysis tab whether this properly installed or not. If installed, you will see here in the left panel you will have a one icon called insert data source. So if you click over here insert data source, you will have here select data, select from data formula, or select data source from analysis. So always you have to select data from the analysis. So let's select here. Yes, so this is like not a mandatory, you can skip. If you know the username and password, you can give it over here, otherwise you can skip this one. So I am going to skip over here. Now this is here which is very important. Okay, so this is a reporting tool. So from where you have a data, okay, you want to report into Excel. So these are the multiple like source system you have, either BW 4 HANA or BW 7 on HANA or ECC S4 HANA, okay, or SLT, whatever. I mean the source wherever you have a data. So most of the data in the real time, okay, we will have a data either in BW or S4 HANA, right, or ECC if you have it. So I will teach you how can take the data from BW 4 HANA or S4 HANA to reporting in the Excel sheet. So I'm going to tell you here. If you have here BW selecting and BW 4 HANA, click next. So before going to here, you have to give the detail about the BW system. So let's see here. I'm going to give the BW detail here. So before going to here, you will have to select the BW detail. So how and where you can see. So this detail over here in the GUI. If you go to here and just opening this, yes, see BW 4 HANA is there here over, right? So you can see 400 client is there. Okay, under 400 client, what are the password, and you will see over here like we have a password BW 4 HANA login, right? We have a BW, right? So let's see, I'm going to open here again, going here, select this one BW 4 HANA, select this one 400 client, and user I am giving this one, and password you can select from here, like we have a master. Okay, whatever the password you can put over here, and language by default English, or you can put it over en. Click OK. See, it is secure, continue. Yes, it is saying something wrong. Let me try once. Yes, it is connected. Yes, yeah. Now you can select here wherever your query basically. The BW query, we have a back analyzer, we have a design. That query you have to search over here. So if you know, you can select directly. If you don't know, go to the info area and you can go to the here query directly. You see, or just wait for all. Yes, this is all is coming, right? So if you know, you can directly click over here or just go to the only query or select anyone which is you want. Let's see, I want this one. Okay, let's see, I would like to hurry. Okay, so there is some query over here, right? So just let's say this is a query. Select this one and click next and okay. So whatever these are, there's something wrong. Okay, some error is there. Let me try one more time. Go over here and try another one. So let's see, here I am trying this one. Go to next. Again it is asking some password. Give the password. Yes, continue and okay. So it is opening the query. So wait a minute. Yes, see, it is opening. See, there is no, only 8 records are there. Okay, no problem. It is have only 8 record in this query. So let me check if you have a, okay, let's select another because it is not relevant for us. So go to here. I mean, or you can refresh it, or again you can go over here and select another query because this is not a proper data. I would like some proper data on this, or proper some query which is have a data over there. Let's try this one. Click OK. Even this is not a proper data on this. Okay, so let me try once. If, or you can have another tab. If you want to another tab, you can go to another tab and select here again. I am selecting the proper data over here. So if you have here something, let's see, I'm selecting the proper data or some test data over here. So yeah, let's see, selecting this test data over, maybe let's check once. Yeah, material test is there. Let's see if data would be there or not. Yeah, even some problem over there. So again I have to check why data is not available. Okay, so this is, let's see, I would like to show you what exactly the data over here. Okay, so if data is properly, I mean, a query have, I would like to show you that query. Yes, customer detail. Let's see, this is, maybe the data would be there. Again some problem over there. Okay, this is not a proper data, unable to fetch some data, some problem over there. So let's see here, if data is let's see, no problem if data is not over here. Okay, so let me select here something. Let me again, I am trying select the here, and let's see, some proper query it should require. Okay, so let me yes, product ID, I guess this is a good data maybe. So let's check. This is a test system, that's why data is not properly available. Yeah, again this is one. Yeah, let's see here, some data is there, right? So in the right panel, you can see here in the right panel you have analysis tab. In this tab we will have multiple data source. Left and right we have a column measure, whatever the measure, net value, quantity, these are the measure area. And row area, whatever the row you want. Let's see, here we have a row area. Let's see, I would like to a member, like a member here. Do it in the right panel, right? This product. Okay, if let's see, if you want a document currency over here, right? So it will come, see, document currency. So whatever, like user of management, let's see, whatever you want. So this is how basically attribute. Let's see, if you want attribute, you can put it over here, right? See, this is like the report how it is creating, right? So this is row area. If you want to something like it is a background filter, okay, which you want to, let's see, I want some background filter. So you can put it over here, something, let's say attribute. So see here, it is attribute is not displaying over. So if you want to hide something, so you can put it over here. So the product is going to hide over here. So this is how, I mean, it is working, right? So if you, again, if you want to make it in the row area, it is visible over here. So this is how it is working, right? So this is one of the analysis. Okay, now information tab. Under information tab, you will have a product ID, and whatever the filter you have, and most important, that is a technical name would be over here in the information area, and here all the detail would be available. Now under component, whatever the component you will have in this query, all component you can see in the general tab, whatever the general would be available here. See, merge a variable, remove the duplicate, something would be available here. And planning, if you have any planning, would be available here. So currently in this report there is no any planning, right? So now go to the design rule. So if you want to design something layout, you can do over here. And finally we have a component comments. If you want to have any comment, you will display over here. So currently that is one two tabs is very important. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so depend upon your requirement. Let's see, if you want any, let's say I don't want net value, you can just drag and drop. So that's why I say this is a very user friendly, and this is a very look like okay, if you want to pause, see, this is a button on pause. If you want to pause, so it is not possible to do any changes over this query. So always you have to click, okay, right click over here, and you have to add or something, right? You have to click, okay, it is unpause. So this is how basically, and you can see here there the display, how you want to display. See, so property, so technical name, and so group, whatever you want, I mean based on the requirement. See, this is a designer panel open. If you want to show property, it will property all, you can see property always there here, display whatever you want, technical names. So technical name also will be display over here. So this is, we have some features. Apart from that, if you want, okay, like some, we have a filter value. Okay, if you want to apply some filter, okay, and if you want to refresh the report, complete all report, whatever. See, we have 4 tab. Sometimes if you want to refresh all 4 tab, you have to refresh all. Or if you want a specific report, okay, like reset the data or refresh the data specific, so you can do it. Even we have a undo options as well. Even so, these are the, we have a, okay, and based on your requirement, okay, we have a multiple options here. You can hide, so okay, you can see total row numbers, total column numbers. So based on, I mean, you can summation based on the requirement. If you write over here, you will have a multiple options. See here, filter based on the dimensions, okay, and if you want to format any cell, like format number format, if you want to, you can do it. Okay, so these are the, let's see, this is the product. Okay, so based on your requirement, if you want something, insert the cells, hide the column, unhide. So you can do it based on your requirement. So this is how basically data going to fetch from BW for HANA system to AFO, that is Microsoft Excel, which is very important. Okay, so this is a very like basic things I'm going to, okay, and the next session I'm going to tell you in detail. Okay, so now the next tab I'm going to show you the S4 HANA. If let's say if you have a S4 HANA, and the that whatever the like source, it would be like a table, CDS view, it should be a enable a query, like analytical query, then it would be possible to extract or you can fetch the data from the S4 HANA. Otherwise it is not possible to fetch the data directly from the table to or CDS view to your MS Office, I mean Microsoft Excel. Okay, so let's see, I'm trying. Let's see, I'm selecting here like S4 HANA. So this is, we have a BW, right? If you want to select from the S4 HANA, you can select S4 HANA. Let's see, I'll show you again. Okay, I'm not going to save anything here over here. So let's say I'm closing again and again. See, okay, I'm going to open another one. See, this is S4 HANA. If you talking about this S4 HANA, right? 99. So let's see 800 client. So I'm opening again, going here, analysis for office, yes, Excel, and let's trying if it is work, or otherwise let's see him. This is our, like basically we have S4 HANA. So let's try. First of all, if it is login, then okay. So go to analysis over here, under insert here, you will see select the data source. Over here you have to search it basically. Yeah, you can skip this one, and now here you have to select the source system, which one. Let's see, 99 S41909 I would like to, right? So here asking 800 is a client, and user ID and password for S499, just check it over here. If it is available, then okay, yes, this is, we have S4 HANA, the user is this, and password is this one. and language is EN. I'm going to OK, continue. Let's see if it is connecting, then OK. Yes, it is connected, right? So now you can search over here, like if in case if you remember the query name, you can directly put it over here, or if you want anything here, you can go row area first of all. Okay, if you have any role, workstations, space or environment, you can select accordingly. So I'm searching over here if any like query would be available as for HANA query, so it would be display. Otherwise it not want possible to generate a report on Microsoft Excel based on the S4 HANA. So still it is working, running. So not sure it would be available or not. So this is the the way. We are generate a Microsoft Excel report based on your source data. Either would be S4 HANA or BW4 HANA. So nowadays this is a very important tool. Yes, let's see here. Yeah, it is a little bit slow. Yeah, let's see controlling area. Some if the Fury or something is there. Okay, let's see this one. We have it. So let's try this one. Maybe if data would be there, because this is a dummy system, so I'm not sure data would be completely as a live, but yes, some data useful would be there for the practice purpose. So let's check. A little bit slow. Yeah, you can see there are so many is there, right? So many combined version is there. So let me try again another one, because there is so many product, like so many selections are mandatory are there, right? So let's some small which is very useful. Let's see. Yeah, I'm trying for any other one report. Let's see, position report something from FI. Okay, so let's open this one or any. Yes, let's see here, some previous date is given. So so I would like to show you means anything just based on the evaluation date. Let's see, some view variant date is, let's see, M, because why is the mandatory things, right? So you have to check. Without this you can't have a data. Yes, now I'm going to OK. So this is, let's see how the data is displaying from S4 HANA. So something is asking, okay, some maybe problem with this analytical report in from S4 HANA. That's why it is not displaying over here. So I mean to say, this is the basically a complete applications, okay, or tool for reporting a Microsoft Excel. Okay, so whenever you required in real, okay, and the time, so this is the way, and you can start from the beginning. Okay, you can install over in your laptop, and you can take the server access from any vendor. So I recommend it, okay, to anyone to go through this, whatever the we have given the demo, practical demo with this. So going forward, it would be very helpful to you to start your career as a AFO consultant or a reporting consultant. So really it would be nice if you can give some feedback over comments, and I'm looking if you can like, share, subscribe in this channel, and share definitely with your friend. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.